Welcome back and thanks for staying with us.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with the news from the region. 53 people have been confirmed dead and others still missing in Guyana after a ferry capsized off the coast on Saturday.
As the authorities continue to probe the incident, Guyana has proclaimed 3 days of national mourning starting on Wednesday.
Andrea Chisholm picks up that story.
That man just float out. Coast Guard about to collect.
Fishermen and the authorities recovering the bodies of victims from the MV Barima tragedy off the coast of Guyana. The ferry overturned Saturday night after leaving Port Georgetown in the afternoon. On Tuesday, as at 1 p.m. Guyana time, the authorities said 77 people were rescued and 41 bodies recovered. Scores of people are still missing. French and local divers were continuing underwater search and recovery operations. 16 vessels were deployed within the wreckage area, and the designated search area was expanded by 400 square miles. This woman survived the incident and spoke with Newsroom Guyana. She was able to save her baby, one of 2 children.
But in the hustle of everyone to snatch anything they could to survive, her daughter went down.
Me and my children been on the boat, and me been sitting down and my daughter been sleeping, and my son been in my hand. So now when the boat canting, then me rush my daughter, hold him up, trying to swim up, like come up to catch breath. Then somebody just rush out my hand and send my daughter down.
The main cause of the MV Barima tragedy in Guyana has not been disclosed. It's reported that the vessel's captain and first engineer have been arrested after both tested positive for narcotics. Guyana's President Dr. Irfan Ali met with the survivors and the relatives of victims.
I also assure the nation that there will be a full, thorough, and independent investigation into this tragedy. The families affected, and indeed the people of Guyana, deserve answers. They deserve to know precisely what transpired and whether any failures contributed to this heartbreaking event. We'll pursue the truth with transparency, impartiality, and accountability.
In the meantime, the 3 days of mourning will begin on Wednesday, July 22 through Friday, July 24. During this period, the national flag of Guyana will be flown at half-mast on government buildings and other appropriate locations. Wednesday will be observed as a National Day of Prayer and Remembrance at the Kingston Seawall in Georgetown. There will also be nights of reflection and prayer on Thursday and Friday. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.